Hola, friends, family, amigo, amiga, and all in between. It is your favorite unproblematic Latino MUA in this bitch. Woo.
It's me, Jesse Ari. Sorry, like a home,
So, we're starting right where we left off on Monday, but still today for me because I like to use my time wisely. This video, as you can tell by the title, is all about these caterpillars, sis. If you want to learn how to get your Instagram eyebrow game on point, you've come to the right place. Yes, I'm known for Swiss cheese brows, but we're going to fix that today. And without further ado, hold up. Did you subscribe? Did you like? Usually people like before the video gets into the juicy stuff. Those are like the real OGs. Are you a real OG? Did you like the video yet? Did you turn on that notification bell? I'll wait. Okay, actually, let's move on. So jumping straight in, my two fave brow products are I'm looking for the name, the Build a Brow number 12 brow pencil by It Cosmetics, which I don't really fuck with otherwise, but this brow is pretty dope. It has like a nice little shape to the brush. It has like these little indents which help with creating strokes and whatnot, and your average spoolie. And then for the product itself, I'm going in with the classic Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Granite, I believe. Yes. So go ahead and take whatever mirror you have. I have this girl right here. She's still broken. I'm looking for a replacement, but she's gonna be used until she's gone. I love you, sis. And then I like to take, my product right here, and we're gonna go on the right brow. So I don't really feel the need to do both brows, like, take up your time. So we're just gonna do one, and you just basically repeat it over here. Not that deep. What we like to do, well, at least what I like to do, is take the spoolie and brush your brow hairs up from the beginning all the way to the end. So you can see where like the base of your brow is. Oh, I should probably preface this with, if you really want your brows to be like as good as possible, if you're like really beating your face, please invest some dollars and coins or whatever your nearest nail salon or brow bar takes and get your brows done. My brows were done at least like a week or two ago, so they are wolfing a little bit right here, but definitely go ahead and get them cleaned up. It does help a lot with this process. And when we go into like concealer and stuff to like shape and cut the brow, you don't have any like loose hairs messing with the product and giving it like a weird look, so it definitely helps. So just want to get that out the way. Moving on. All right, so like I said, we're gonna go ahead and brush those up, and then I'm gonna go into the product with my little brush right here. So here she is, and then all you wanna do, real simple, is draw like, well, I'm gonna tell you what I do. I'm gonna stop saying you will, because everyone has a different technique. But what I like to do is start from the beginning and just draw a nice little line from the base and pull it into the brow to really define the beginning. Boom. So that's a start. And then this is where it gets tricky. The arch is always the arch. I don't even know English no more. This part is really tricky for me, so that's why concealer is a godsend. But definitely you just want to keep the line consistent across the brow base and just really bring it around town. And you're basically like connecting all the individual lashes that you like. Lashes. Why am I a guru? Like, what am I trying to be? You're definitely going to try and connect the eyebrow hairs. Like, you see them individually placed. You just want to, like, run the line so you're connecting them nicely. Just go ahead. Just do small strokes. It helps. It's going to keep your, like, A game on point. Okay, so now the most stressful part is, like, the point of the brow. So if anyone didn't tell you, there's this magical brow rule where if you take like this, for example, any kind of pencil and put it against the side of your nose straight up, that's where your brow begins. If you go look straight, let me see, can I go on the camera, look straight, and then from your nose halfway through your eye, that's where like the arc that will be. And then it's looking straight again. If I go from the nose to the outside of my eye, that's where the point will be. So the point will be around right here. So you just want to take the brush and as best as possible, don't worry because concealer is a thing, you want to pull that in and connect. Simple as that. So then you're going to go ahead and brush the brows down, give yourself a cute little comb over. Yes, bitch, look at those bangs. So moving on, you're going to go ahead and pick up some more product. And then on the top brow, I actually like to start it somewhere in the middle right here. I don't place it on the beginning. I like to go somewhere right here. And then just do like a parallel line from the bottom. And go ahead and draw it back. And just follow your natural curve. I don't really have like a technical way of giving advice on this part. Just follow where your brow goes and meet where you put the ending right here. Oh, bitch, I slipped up, but don't be like me. So then with whatever's left on my brush, I like to just go ahead and blend that forward and down, forward and down, and just blend in the harsh line right there into your brows. And then you're gonna go ahead and brush your brows back to normal. And then the product that you drew in with, you're just gonna blend that into your brow. Can y'all go to sleep? So this is where I normally have my Swiss cheese brows moment, but just recently I just learned put more on. It's not that deep. So anywhere that looks sparse, just go ahead and fill that hoe in. So it's looking very bold in the beginning. So normally I'll just take the spoolie in this position. Well, Cappy's in the way. I take it and I'll just blend the product upwards by the longest way. Okay, so I am sweating, so the spoolie like scratched my foundation, but normally it wouldn't, but that's okay because we're gonna go in with concealer anyway. Okay, so to cut the brow, for now I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer because I still have some product left, but I'm still using the ColourPop, and otherwise I would use the ColourPop concealer. I'm just sticking to what I know best. So I just take this, ooh, this is actually a new brush in my toolkit, the M432, which is a nice little like dense flat brush like this. And it's been really helpful for cutting brows. So if you can get something like this. Oh, if anything, e.l.f. has a similar brush. This is the e.l.f. flat eyeliner brush, which is also flat, but it's a little thicker than the Morphe one. Are we getting in focus? Yeah, but I've also used this to cut a brow, but I just prefer this one now. But you know, hey, this is like maybe $1 or $2. I'm just gonna pick up some product here, just on the edge. Take a mirror, and then to cut the brow, I like to start somewhere in the beginning, but not all the way at the beginning. So I'll just start like right here and press, and then just slowly start cutting it out. So then any product, you definitely want to like blend that in. So I usually just like to blend it down into my eyelid, which acts like a little extra layer of primer for a look. I'm just gonna pick up some more. So there you go, that's the bottom. Okay, so the top is a little more tricky, but same process, just start placement and then blend. Placement, then blend. And since we placed concealer in this section, it's totally safe to like drag it there because you're just gonna blend it out and it'll go right in. So this arch is a little tricky, but just small, steady strokes. And just follow through. Trust yourself to just follow through. And then go ahead and blend out any like clumps of concealer. So now at this point, what I like to do, I take this, what is this, Deluxe Crease Brush from Real Techniques, and I just blend the concealer with this. And bam, you got yourself a clean cut, easy breezy, beautiful, bad bitch brow. It's a little bit Swiss right here, Swiss cheese right here, but that's cool. That's like my staple. You go ahead and fill yours if you want, but I'm fine with mine like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other brow, and I'll see you in a bit.
A few moments later.
After you blended your concealer away, this is basically what you got. You know, this is the MedinaMUAYE brow. I'm sorry if you came to this video trying to look for something natural, but this is definitely not for you. I'm so sorry, sis. But basically that's a little rundown, detailed explanation on how I do my brows. That's fine, we're gonna put eyeshadow on there anyway. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I don't know how long it'll be, but if it's short, awesome. If it's long, awesome. You know, it's still something. I'm trying here. But yeah, again, thank you guys so much for all the love and support. Thank you for watching. Definitely look out for Friday's video where I finished this face up with the look. If you didn't, go ahead and watch Monday's video where I showed you my base foundation routine. For anybody who was curious of how I did that. And yeah, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe, like, favorite. Do we still do favorites? Forget that. Turn on that notification bell as usual. Follow me on my social medias down here. Please say hi, what's up? And I guess till Friday, I'll see you then. So love ya, bye. Hola amigos and amiguitas. Yes, you're Latino. What was that intro? So if anyone, fuck, I cannot do this today. False alarm. Y'all. Ooh, sis. The shit I go through for y'all. Ooh, girl, look at all that sweat. Jesus Christ. Okay, come on, let me get through this. Are they really arguing? Get some more product and work on the top. Great. I just dropped all of my shit. Cut and shape the brow.